Hi guys, so today I'm going to unboxing and setup of Synology 218 Plus. So this device basically cost me 1,221 ringgit with voucher. So I got it from Lazada 12/12 sale. So this is the box, so let's take around. So this is world-core CPU up to 2.5 GHz and have 2 GB of RAM. So let's open it up. So you need to take this wrap out. So there you go, Synology. So in front cover there is a plastic cover and a metal box. It's quite funny for me, the plastic cover, and you need to close it like this. So at the back there is a lot of port, USB 3 port and LAN cable port, and in front there is copy button and others. Inside the box we have the power cable, power adapter, so you can look, it's not the same like Synology brand. We also have 3-pin Malaysian plug and also the LAN cable pouch, the paperwork, and also the screw. This is the NAS HDD. Cost me 525 ringgit each. So this is from Seagate. So I have bad experience with Western Digital, so I would like to switch to Seagate. So each have 4 TB. So basically my Western Digital, my cloud's already working now. So you can look over this one. So it still have only 1 drive and it cost me like 600 ringgit 2 years back. It has 3 terabytes and I think I should throw it out. Bye bye Western Digital. So now I'm going to install the hard disk into Synology 218 Plus. So we have 2 drives here, so I need to install and insert the 2 hard disks together in the Synology 218 Plus. Don't forget to take a picture of your serial number of electronic devices. It is much more easier for you to for future reference and also for you to register it online. There you go. So the total setup for hard disk and also Synology is 2,272 ringgit. So I quite regret on what I'm buying right now because it's too expensive. I hope it is worth it for what I'm doing for 4 years ahead at least. So there you go, Synology 218 Plus.